Is your phone refusing to cast to your TV? You tap cast again and again, but nothing happens. Or the TV does not even appear on the list. Do not worry. This problem happens to millions of users every day. In the next 3 minutes, I will show you simple fixes that actually work. Step 1. Check if both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. This is the most common reason casting fails. Your phone and TV must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Check your phone first. Go to Settings, then go to Wi-Fi and confirm the network name. Now check your TV. Go to Settings, then go to Network, then check Wi-Fi connection. Make sure both devices are using the exact same network name. Also check the Wi-Fi band. Many routers have 2 networks. One is 2.4 GHz, the other is 5 GHz. If your phone is on 5 GHz and your TV is on 2.4 GHz, casting may fail. Connect both devices to the same band and try casting again. Step 2. Restart your phone, TV, and router. Temporary network glitches can block casting. Restarting devices clears these glitches. Restart the phone first, then restart the TV. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Power, then select Restart. Now restart your router, unplug the router from power. Wait 30 seconds, plug it back in, wait for the internet to reconnect. Now try casting again. Step 3. Update the apps and system software. Outdated software often breaks casting features. First, update the app you are casting from. Open Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Search for the app. If an update appears, install it. Now update the phone system. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Software. Update, then select Check for Update. Next, update the TV. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Software Update, then select Check for Update. Install any available updates. Step 4. Enable screencasting or Chromecast built-in on the TV. Some TVs have casting disabled by default. Open the TV settings. Go to Settings, then go to Apps, then go to Chromecast built-in or screen mirroring. Make sure it is turned on. If you use a Chromecast device, open the Google Home app. Check if the device appears online. If it says offline, reconnect it to Wi-Fi. Step 5. Clear cache of the casting app. Sometimes the app cache causes casting errors. On Android phones, go to Settings, then go to Apps, then select the app you are casting from. Then go to Storage, then select Clear Cache. Open the app again and try casting. Step 6. Disable VPN or guest network. VPN services often block casting connections. If you use a VPN, turn it off. Also avoid using guest Wi-Fi networks. Guest networks isolate devices, which prevents casting. Connect to the main home network instead. Step 7. Reset network settings on the phone. If nothing works, reset the phone network. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Reset Options, then select Reset Wi-Fi Mobile and Bluetooth. Reconnect to Wi-Fi and test casting again. If you still face any problem, write it in the comments. I personally reply within 1 hour. Do not forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to TechVibes for more quick tech fixes. Stay confident. Most casting problems are simple. Now you know exactly how to fix them.